Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox in a Windows machine. There are different types of virtualization software or hypervisor. For example, Microsoft Hyper-V, Oracle VirtualBox, or VMware Workstation that you can use at your home computer. VirtualBox is completely free and supports Mac, Windows, Linux, or Unix platform. To start with, I will search download VirtualBox in Google and select the downloads link from Oracle. As you can see, I can download for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux, Unix. Since I'm using a Windows machine, so I will choose Windows host to download and then save the exe file. The download is complete. Now I will open it to start the installation. Installation has started. The current version is 6.1.32. So I'll go next. I will keep the default settings here and go next. I will remove some of the items. For example, I don't want to create a desktop shortcut or quick launch bar, and I don't want to register virtual machine files with VirtualBox. So remove this one as well and then go next. There is a warning that it will reset the network connections and it may disconnect network temporarily. That's fine. I will click on yes and then click on install. When I click on finish, it will start VirtualBox. Now this is the default interface. To create a new virtual machine, I can click on new, and then let's say I want to create a Ubuntu virtual machine. So we'll give it a name. The folder for this virtual machine will be located here. I did detect that it is a Linux machine, so Linux was automatically selected. If I want a Windows machine or Unix or Mac OS, I will select accordingly. Since I'm choosing Ubuntu, I will keep Linux. For version, I will install 64-bit, so I'll go next. I'll keep the default memory size and go next. I will create a new hard drive of 10 GB and click on create. There are three different file formats. The default file format for VirtualBox is VDI. For Microsoft Hyper-V it's VHD, and for VMware Workstation is VMDK. If I choose VMDK, then I will be able to use the hard disk file in VMware Workstation as well as in VirtualBox. I will keep the VDI default for VirtualBox and go next. I will keep the disk allocation as dynamic and go next. This is the folder that is being created and the files will be located inside this folder. If I want to change the location, I can click on the icon for choosing a location. I will keep as default and click on create. So the virtual machine is ready, but it doesn't have an operating system. To install an operating system, I need to go to settings, as well as to add a new hardware component I can do from settings. For example, if I want to activate the second network card, I need to go to adapter 2 and check enable network adapter, and then select a network adapter mode, for example NAT mode. Next, I will mount the installer ISO image so that I can start the installation. So I go to storage and then select the CD DVD and click on the CD DVD icon and select choose a disk file. Then I will navigate to an ISO image folder and select the ISO image that is Ubuntu 20.04 installer. So I can click on OK. As soon as I power on this virtual machine, it will start installing Ubuntu 20. I will just start, but I will not finish the installation. There are other installation videos in my channel. Please check those videos if you want to see the steps. And that is the end of this video. I hope you found this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.